Hello everyone. We are back on your favorite platform, Learn Forward. I hope you all are good. We are learning from Feather Cap and we are on chapter number 5, that is clothes we wear. So please keep your books and pencils ready. Clothes we wear. You have seen when season changes, we also change our clothes, right? Summers में we wear cotton clothes and winters में we wear woolen clothes. Why? Summer में जब हम cotton clothes पहनते हैं, it keeps us body cool. And जब winters में we wear woolen clothes, it's keep our body warm, right? So जो fibers होते हैं, जो कपड़े होते हैं, they can be of two types, which are made from natural fiber, and second that can be made from synthetic fibers. What are natural fibers? Natural से you can just sense it by name. Natural का मतलब क्या होता है? Natural is which you get from nature, right? जो आपको natural तरीके से मिल रहा है, maybe from plants or animals. So that is natural. And second is synthetic. What is synthetic? Synthetic fibers are those which are made by men. जो हम लोगों ने डिस्कवर करे, बनाए हैं इंसान ने, ह्यूमन बींग्स ने, that are known as synthetic fibers. So we are going to learn variety of synthetic fibers and natural fibers. So let's start. First, we all wear clothes. हम सब कपड़े पहनते हैं. Clothes क्यों पहनते हैं हम? To protect ourselves, right, from cold, rain, heat and dust. So clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dirt and dust. Clothes हमें protect करते हैं. Clothes are of three kinds based on fibers. What are fibers? जो फैब्रिक होता है, सपोज दिस इज इन कॉटन, सो जो फाइबर होते हैं उससे एक या आपका क्लोथ प्रोड्यूस होता है जिससे आप कपड़े बनते हैं बेसिकली, ठीक है. सो कॉटन, थ्री फाइबर्स आर कॉटन, वुलन एंड सिंथेटिक. जो कॉटन है, कॉटन वी गेट कॉटन फ्रॉम कॉटन बॉल्स. सो कॉटन प्लांट से जो हमें मिलता है, दैट इज you get cotton from cotton plant. तो cotton plant पे कैसे cotton निकलता है? Cotton balls are there on the cotton plant and that is spun into the yarn. Cotton is spun into long threads. बड़े बड़े threads बनाए जाते हैं cotton के. So then threads are woven together to make a cloth. So उन threads को मिला के एक बड़ा सा fabric तैयार किया जाता है. Then the cloth is dyed and printed. You get a lot of prints and colors in clothes, right? So and why? How do you get it? Because the cloth is dyed. Cloth को dye किया जाता है और print किया जाता है. So these are some methods how a cloth is made. This is spinning. This method is showing spinning. Spinning में क्या होता है? जो cotton balls होती हैं उससे एक लंबी सी thread तैयार की जाती है. Then these thread are converted into a cloth by the process of weaving. And this is dyeing. This is the process of dyeing where colors it's put on the cotton, and this is printing. This is the method of printing where here you can see the cloth is printed, right? So this is how clothes are made. Next is wool. So wool is sheep's hair. जो wool होते हैं, we get it from sheep's hair. Sheep's hair is sheared or cut off by the machine. So people use machines, a lot of machines by which they cut the hair of the sheep. It is spun and woven to make cloth. उसके बाद जो उनका हेयर निकलता है, that is उसके बाद that are spun, उसको spun किया जाता है वैसे ही थ्रेड में, then उसको एक क्लोथ बनाया जाता है और फिर उस क्लोथ को डाई किया जाता है, प्रिंट किया जाता है. जो वुलन क्लोथ होता है, that is also dyed. You can here see that woolen cloth is dyed because जो hairs होते हैं, they can be of two colors, maybe white and black, ठीक है. So you get a lot of colors in winter clothes as well. How? Because they are dyed. उसके बाद डाइंग के बाद प्रोसेस होता है वीविंग का. वीविंग भी एक प्रोसेस है. यू हैव सीन दैट मेनी वुलन क्लोथ्स आर knitted, right? So knitting is the process of hand. This is the handmade process. Knitting is a handmade process. So here you can see this woman is knitting a sweater and jerseys are made, right? Some wool is knitted into sweaters and jerseys. आपने देखा होगा मार्केट में. You have seen a lot of sweaters and jerseys that are knitted. Cotton and wool are natural fibers. As I have already told, there are only two natural fibers, cotton and wool. Next is synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. जो fibers एक इंसान बनाता है, एक human being produce करता है, that are known as synthetic fibers. So you should learn that these are man-made synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers can be of any type. You have seen swimming suits. You have seen jerseys जो प्लेयर्स पहनते हैं, जर्सीज और स्पोर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स के जो आपके आइटम्स होते हैं, क्लोथ्स होते हैं, दैट आर ऑल मेड ऑफ synthetic fibers. So there are many fibers which are popular in synthetic as well, that are nylon. आपने बहुत सारी चीजें देखी होंगी, इससे टी शर्ट्स, लोअर्स, बहुत कुछ बनता है. टेरेलिन, पॉलिस्टर आर synthetic fibers. These are three fibers which are synthetic, so you should learn this. Synthetic fibers are nylon, terylene and polyester. Terylene and cotton are woven together to make terrycot. Terrycot is a fabric where one natural fiber and one synthetic fiber are woven together. That is terylene and cotton. और उससे मिला के क्या बनता है? Terrycot. Another one is cashmelon. Cashmelon, what is cashmelon? It is a synthetic wool. जो वूल एक मैन प्रोड्यूस करता है, मैन मेड बनी हुई है, मतलब जो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग बनाता है वूल, दैट इज कैशमेलॉन. चाइना सिल्क इज अ सिंथेटिक सिल्क. सिल्क इज द फैब्रिक which we get from silkworms, right? Silk is also a natural fabric. वो हमें naturally obtain होता है by the silkworm. So जो China silk होता है, it is synthetic. Okay, China silk is a synthetic silk. Next is clothes are of three kinds. जो आपके clothes होते हैं, they can be of three kinds. You don't wear same type of clothes everywhere, right? आप अगर कहीं बाहर function में जा रहे हो, so you are not going to wear your school uniform. You need new clothes for it. That are known as decorative clothes. So three kinds of clothes are protective, uniform and decorative. Clothes protect us against extremes of weather. जो three kinds of clothes है, that is protective, uniform and decorative. Clothes protect us against extremes of weather. कैसे हमें protect करते हैं? जब weather change होता है, we also change our clothes, right? Cotton we use in summers and in winters we use woolen clothes. In summer season we wear light cotton clothes. Summer season में हम light cotton clothes पहनते हैं of light colored. White और light colored clothes are more preferable. Why? इससे क्या होता है, जो heat आपकी body पे पड़ती है, sun rays पड़ते हैं, it reflected back. Thus they keep the body cool. इससे हमारी body cool रहती है, आपको ठंडक मिलती है. Cotton absorbs sweat. Also जो cotton का fabric होता है, ये cotton के आप कपड़े पहनते हो, it also absorbs the sweat. In winter season we wear thick woolen clothes. Winter में आप क्या पहनते हो? Woolen clothes पहनते हो. Thick why? क्योंकि जो आपकी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होता है उसको सही रखने के लिए, अलाउ करने के लिए, जो आपकी बॉडी की हीट है वो बाहर ना जाए, तो ये विंटर क्लोथ्स हमें हेल्प करते हैं. Wool does not allow body heat to escape. इससे क्या होता है, जो woolen कपड़े होते हैं, that does not allow our heat of the body to escape. Thus they keep us warm. इससे हमारी बॉडी वार्म रहती है. नेक्स्ट रेनी सीजन में व्हाट डू यू वियर? जब बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है, यू इधर वियर रेनकोट और यू यूज अम्ब्रेलाज, राइट? इन रेनी सीजन वी वियर रेनकोट. हम रेनकोट पहनते हैं विद अ कैप. हियर यू कैन सी अ मैन वियरिंग अ रेनकोट बिकॉज इट कीप्स अस ड्राई. हमारे जो रेनी सीजन में हम ये चीजें यूज करते हैं, वाई? बिकॉज वी इट डजंट गेट वेट, राइट? सो इट कीप्स अ बॉडी ड्राई. What are uniforms? Uniforms क्या होती है? Uniforms होती हैं बेसिकली जो आप पहनते हो. इससे आपको पता लगता है कि if you are a school student, if you are a nurse, हर प्रोफेशन की अलग यूनिफॉर्म होती है. You have seen nurses wearing and doctors wearing a long white coat. So इससे आप क्या रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं कि हमें उनके प्रोफेशन का पता लगता है. So uniforms are clothes suitable for special jobs. इससे हमें उनकी जॉब के बारे में पता लगता है. Players have to run and jump or kick, so they wear half pants and half sleeve vests. You have seen many players. You have always seen them in vest and shorts. Why? क्योंकि उन्हें जब रन करना होता है, किक करना होता है, तो to be comfortable in their work they use vest and half pants. Next, soldiers, policemen, doctors and nurses and school children have uniform. ये जितने भी लोग हैं, they all have uniform. इससे क्या होता है, यूनिफॉर्म से you can know that this person is can help you, right? जो पुलिस मैन है, आप उनकी यूनिफॉर्म देख के समझ सकते हो that they can help you in anything. So soldiers, policemen और doctors और nurses और school children की यूनिफॉर्म आप पहचान सकते हो easily. People know them by their uniforms and help them. आप उनकी यूनिफॉर्म से उनका आइडिया लगा सकते हो. Here you can see a soldier wearing a uniform, policeman, doctor, nurse and school children. So we all are fond of new fashion clothes. As I have already said, आप कहीं बाहर जाते हो, you will need new clothes to get ready, right? So we are all fond of new fashion clothes. हमें होता है कि जो भी नया आया है, we all need that, right? हम decorative clothes पहनते हैं at parties, weddings and festivals. We only decorative clothes which makes us look good. We must wear clean clothes. हमें हमेशा clean clothes पहनने चाहिए. we look smart when we wear clothes suitable for the occasion. और हमें क्या लगता है, हम नए कपड़े क्यों मांगते हैं? So that we can look smart and we wear it according to the particular occasion, कि हम किस occasion के accordingly dress up कर रहे हैं, तो उसके according हम अपने decorative clothes decide करते हैं. So we have completed the chapter and now we are going to move on exercises. A. Take the correct answer. Man-made fibers are called woolen. No, woolen and cotton are natural fibers. So man-made fibers are called synthetic. Next, woolen clothes keep the body warm, cool or dry. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. What kind of clothes do you wear at parties, weddings and functions? Festivals, we wear decorative clothes. Next, answer in yes or no. Do you wear a raincoat? Yes, we do wear a raincoat when it rains. Next, do you wear woolen clothes in summer? No, we don't wear woolen clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Third, do you wear a uniform in wedding? No, we do not wear uniform. We wear decorative clothes. Third point. Answer the following questions. First, what kind of clothes do nurses wear? Nurses wear uniforms. So write uniform here. Next, what kind of clothes do you wear in the wedding? We wear decorative clothes. Next, what name is given to a cloth made of terylene and cotton? We have learned it is known as terracotta. Next, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? To keep our body warm. We wear woolen clothes in winter to keep our body warm. I hope all the things are clear. We have completed the chapter. Thank you so much. Happy learning.